Welcome to our channel. Finding Netflix alternatives on Fire Stick means exploring other legitimate streaming services. Follow these step-by-step instructions for great options. Step 1. Try Hulu for current TV shows that appear next day after airing, plus a huge library of movies and originals. Step 2. Subscribe to Disney Plus for Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, and Disney content, plus National Geographic documentaries. Step 3. Install HBO Max for premium content including HBO Originals, Warner Bros. Films, and exclusive streaming releases. Step 4. Check out Apple TV Plus for critically acclaimed originals at a lower monthly price than Netflix. Step 5. Try Paramount Plus for CBS shows, Star Trek content, and live sports including NFL games and Champions League soccer. Step 6. Explore Peacock for NBC Universal content, WWE, Premier League Soccer, and classic TV shows. It has a free tier too. Step 7. For free alternatives, use Tubi, Pluto TV, or Freevee. These offer thousands of movies and shows with ads but no subscription. Step 8. Consider rotating subscriptions. Watch everything you want on one service, cancel it, then subscribe to another for variety and cost savings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.